Word processing, managing styles. In Word, a style is a predefined combination of various formatting features and types, like font style, color, size of text, etc., that is applied to a selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. When we apply a style, we should apply a group of formats together in one simple task. So in our coming session, we will see that how to manage the styles. Okay, let's see. So we are launching the practical session for the managing styles and all. First of all, you can see that how to change the style and all. So highlight the portion and you can go to the style box over here. So any style can be chosen out here. So it is under the styles group and all. Okay, and accordingly the style will be changed. So this is one thing in styles, and you can choose any style. Many styles are there out here. You can download over there. Sorry, you can click on this down arrow. It will show you the more styles. All right, there are many styles are there. Okay, in the out of this one also you can choose. Okay, so the thing is that here you are having the facility to create the styles, also create a style. All right, or clear formatting. If you are clicking, the formatting will be cleared for you. Okay, the thing is that now we are actually making a new style. So any style you can choose, so it will be displayed out here. That is where it is under the style dialog box launcher. This is called style dialog box launcher. Okay, so you click over here. Here also you can see the a lot of styles out here. So emboss, so emphasis, intense emphasis, strong. Okay, many things are quote, many things are there. All right, so that is the thing. So if you want to create your own style, so what will you do? So first of all, we are just placing it in its position. Okay, in the left margin, sorry, in the left alignment. Sorry, the justified. I'm doing that right here now, and I'm doing it like this. I'm choosing this style. So now what is happening once I'm making this one, so I don't want to keep this. I want to change some more things out here. So I have to make it here in the red color. I want to change the size 16 and make it also underlined. Okay, so a lot of things are there. So at last I some this one is there. So this style, what I will do, I want to save in my name. So what is happening? So the style, how will you save it? Next is that create new style. We have done it. Okay. So the thing is that every time you are doing a new style option, at a button is there at the style taxman. You can see out here. Here you can see this is the new style button. So you can click over here and you can choose the new style from here. Okay, which one? The name you can give out here. Say I am giving out your name TIGPS. All right, so the thing is that just I'm coming once more. Okay, you see out here I'm giving the name TIGPS, so it will be applicable to the paragraph. So from here also you can change the size, and then I can make it bold. Okay, I can make it center aligned. Okay, this is a style actually, and I can go for the format also out here. You can, the different formats are also available. So I want the font out here. Okay, so font is agency I'm taking. So I'm taking bold italics. Font color I'm taking here, say for the blue, and then I'm clicking on OK. All right, so this particular thing has been chosen, and the style has come over here at TIGPS. Now you are closing this file. Okay, while closing, definitely you are saving. So next time what will happen when we will open the file, and then we will see that how these things are being opening. Okay, so the thing is that once this has been done for you, you can see that TIGPS style has been still been selected out here. Okay, so the thing is that that has been closed now, the document. So I'm opening once again for you this one in Word. Okay, so opening the Microsoft Word for you, and you see here now how the style can be recoverable. So I'm opening this text document once again, and you see out here. Okay, I'm going to the styles once again, and you see out here this style has been it has been opened over here. Okay, now I'm going to the style box launcher out here. Okay, you can see the save style out here right now. This is the box launcher. You can see, just a minute. Here I'm coming. Okay, so the thing is that here also different type of styles are available. Okay, okay, and we are just applying the styles out here. Okay, so the thing is that this is the apply styles button, and style name you can also choose from here. uh, okay, so TIGPS style is coming over here, and we can applying it. We can reapply also. The thing is there. So in this way you will be able to you will be able to apply the styles. All right, so this is what the managing styles actually. In order to do the managing styles, nothing you have to do. You have to go to the style box launcher, and afterwards you will be able to do the rest of the things. You have to select this keyboard shortcut. You can see Alt, Control, Shift, and S. All right, fine. Then see some more things in the next video. Here now we will see that how to manage style over here. Similarly, we will go to the style box launcher out here. You can see still all Control Shift and S has been given out here. So this is the thing that the style box has come. I actually have shortened it over here. So the TIGPS style. Suppose TIGPS style I want to modify. Then what I will do? I will go to the manage style option, manage style button once. So I will come over here. So I will choose the style that I want to do it. I will just to select all out, not select all, select built-in, nothing I will do. I will just do what? I will cancel it and I will choose that one I want to go for managing. All right. So here, what could you do in the manage style? We can edit, modify any style and all. Okay. So the thing is that, so this one, if I'm choosing edit, so it will give me the scope of editing this one. Okay. Suppose I don't want this agency ABN 18 points and all, so I can change it. Also modify, click on modify over here. Okay, so modification can be done. So I'm, instead of this one, I want to keep it actually as a Algerian. I want to keep it bold. I want to keep it italics, and I want to change the color also. I want this color. Okay, so the thing is that that has been modified. All right, so the size will be, I'll go a little bit more, 20. So the manage style button is basically used to modify the style. So I'm clicking on OK and then clicking on OK. Fine. So that has been applied over here. Okay, so that is the thing. So in this case, the style inspector is also there. Style inspector will inspect the paragraph type of styling, or wherever you want, you can put it out here. Clear all. If you do, then what will happen? Everything will be cleared off. Okay, and then it will not, even if you press Ctrl Z, it will come back. And if you're doing the clear all, so total things will be cleared off. So here are two buttons in this one. One is the create a new style over here, and this is called style inspector, and this is called modifying, managing the style, in order to edit, modify any style. The modify style dialog box will open, as you have seen that now. And then what will happen? You have to choose the style and you have to go for modification by clicking on the modify button. All right, so the thing is that style type, you can see the entire document, also link paragraph also can be done. Okay, the thing is that this is the main modification, and where it will come, if you want to change the justification, you can do it over here also. Then it will click on OK, then again click on OK. This particular thing will be modified. Okay, so the thing is that once you have saved this one, once you have done save this one, then it will be permanently will remain in your test document. So try to open it by using this controller. Once again, text document, you see that particular style will be applicable. Okay, however, if you want to remove the style from over here, so you can go to the paragraph launcher and you can do the clear all button, you can press, so everything will be cleared off. Okay, so it has come back again to the normal. Again, if you want to go back to the style, you can click onto the TIGPS, it will come back again. This TIGPS, another style I have chosen, so normal style. This is the style that we have chosen with the Algerians and all. So this particular thing is actually for managing styles that I have explained it to you. You must implement it in the practicals. All right, so then you will understand it. Fine, thank you.